Hello and welcome to Science Detectives. I'm Mel.
I'm Mary.
And today we're going to continue looking at chemical reactions. You might see a little experiment just finishing off here. This is our foamy monster experiment, which if you check out one of our other YouTube clips, you'll see how we make that one. So that's just going to keep fizzing away in the background. So Meredith, this is a great experiment. It's a real crowd pleaser, okay? Now, this is probably best done outside this one because it can get a little bit messy, okay? Now I recommend, Meredith, you also wear some goggles for this one, okay? Now, we're wearing goggles or glasses or sunglasses just because you might get a few little splashes coming up, and we're always looking at safety, so we must make sure that we're wearing some sort of glasses for this one. Looking good, Mer. Okay, so this is continuing on looking at our acids and our alkalis, okay? So vinegar here is an example of an acidic liquid. Bicarbonate of soda is an example of something that is alkali. Now when we mix these two together, we form a chemical reaction, okay? So we form a completely new product. So that product that we form is called something called carbon dioxide. Now, I wonder if enough carbon dioxide, Meredith, is formed to inflate a balloon. Shall we find out?
Yes.
Okay, so what we need, Meredith, is some vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, a funnel, a spoon, and a balloon. Okay, so to start off with, Meredith, I want you to take that vinegar and I want you to fill the bottle halfway with your vinegar. Now remember, it can be any type of vinegar, clear. This is malt vinegar I'm using here. So this is the same vinegar that you would pop on your chips. You pour that all in. We want your bottle to be about halfway. So we're using a 500, a little bit more in there, 500ml bottle we're using today. That's perfect, Mary. Now, what we're going to do is we're now going to fill a balloon half full with bicarbonate of soda, okay? Now this is not an easy task and it can take a little while, so as in true Blue Peter style, I've already prepared one. So what you're going to do, just going to demonstrate how you do it, and then we're going to use this one that we've preloaded. So if you need a wee hand for this one, so you're going to get somebody to stretch the mouth of your balloon, and then Meredith, using the little small end of the spoon, is going to add some bicarbonate of soda into your balloon. So it's going right in, so she's going to keep adding that until that balloon is halfway full. Now, I've already prepared one here, just out of quickness. So what you're going to do, now your trick is here, Meredith, you don't want to let any of that bicarbonate of soda get in before you've created a really tight seal your balloon. Now you might need a little hand doing this, okay? So you're going to stretch your balloon, then you're going to stretch it right over the top of your bottle, okay? So you've got it nice and sealed. Now, this is the bit that can get a bit messy, okay? So, what we're going to do in a few seconds, we're going to lift that balloon up and we're going to let all that bicarbonate of soda drop into the vinegar, and what's going to start happening, Meredith?
It's going to start a chemical reaction.
Yes, and it'll start foaming and bubbling and gas will be given off. And that gas needs to go somewhere, okay? So let's see where it goes. So Meredith, I will hold the bottle. Are you ready to hold that up?
Yes.
And pour it in? Let's go. Whoa! So look, the vinegar has combined with the bicarbonate of soda. It's given off all these fizzy bubbles. Look at all these bubbles of carbon dioxide coming out. And you have to have somewhere to go. So all those bubbles have shot up into that balloon. And what's starting to happen to that balloon, Meredith?
It's starting to blow up.
It is, it's starting to inflate. Now if I give that a little bit of a mix. Oh, it's still going. Now, a little bit of a competition here. I wonder how big you can get your balloon. Wonder if you used a bigger bottle with more vinegar, more bicarbonate of soda, will you get your balloon to inflate more? Now, one thing I must note here, okay? Never just peel that balloon off, because what's going to happen, that's going to splatter and splurt everywhere, spraying vinegar and everything. So always get a parent or an adult or a responsible person to come and to take your balloon off. Probably do that best to do that outside. But just keep it going and keep it fizzing away. And if you've got a nice tight seal here, that should not come off. So that is a great way to show how a chemical reaction can inflate a balloon, and it's still going, it's still going. Okay, Meredith. Well, all that remains to say is goodbye from Mel from the Science Detectives.
Goodbye from Mary.
See you next time.